Hey guys, Abstract here. Welcome back to another unboxing and first impressions video. This is the second one I've done so far, and for this unboxing video, I'll be unboxing the Fitbit Versa 2. Alright, I've actually had this watch for a solid month now, and I decided to do a tech review on it. But before I do that, I'm like, you know what? It's still in the box. Why don't I just unbox it? So I'm going to be doing that in this video, unboxing it and setting it up, and kind of just playing around with it and saying my first impressions and whatnot. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, here we go. Unboxing. Got our Fitbit Versa 2. Alright, that's cool. 24/7 heart rate tracking, apps and notifications, Alexa built-in, sleep stages and sleep score, battery life 5+ days. That's pretty good. Includes bonus large olive band. Oh wait, hold up. It includes carbon aluminum watch face, black classic band, small and large, bonus olive classic band, large, and then charging cable. Cool stuff on the back. Let's go. Now, sorry if the quality might be a bit grainy. It's because I'm using the ultra wide camera on the the 0.5x zoom on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and 4K 60 frames per second. In this case is kind of annoying. Come on now, I probably should have brought like a scissors or something. Come on. Alright, just open that up. Oh, bump the camera. Alright, here we go. Get this out the way. It's destroying this camera. Or not camera, this box. Alright, what's this? The actual Fitbit smartwatch. Get this out of here. What else we got in the box? Alright, that's all that there is to it. What we got? Oh, a smart band. Fitbit. Alright, let's get to the watch. Let's open this up. What we got? Plastic. Out of here. Fitbit. Alright, let's go. Let's see. I think we just pretty much... Dang, this is sealed. They do not want you to steal this. That's for sure. It is really on there. I'm gonna need some scissors or something. Can I not still open it? I can't, bruh. So if you're buying this smartwatch, then it's gonna be kind of a pain getting out of the box. But here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're just gonna do this because I ain't got no patience for this. Alright. Who needs the box anyway? Alright, what we got? What we got? I opened this like the incorrect way, but whatever. Check this out. Oh, okay. So wireless charge, I suppose. I had it upside down. Small, let's say small and large or whatever. Okay. Let's get all the stuff out the way. Get out of here. Okay. So this is the actual watch, I suppose. I'm gonna be a little gentle here. Oh, nice plastic. All right, nice feel to it. Okay. And I'll probably be comparing this to the Apple Watch, as you know, that's another popular watch among the Fitbit. You know, Fitbit and there's Apple Watch. Okay, what am I doing? How do I get this out of here? Yo, they really doing you dirty with these packaging. There we go. Come on now. Alright. Big bezels. I mean, it's not a problem, but I mean, first thing I noticed, wireless charge on the back. So how do I power this on? We just press the button, I suppose. Let's just hold it, see what happens. There we go. What else we got? Let's get everything else out. Got the band. Okay. And then we have... what we got in this box? I know. I'm just fiddling fiddling around with this thing. Like, I don't... Like, okay. Like, this is... Okay, there we go. We're making progress. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is the charger, I believe. Okay. USB type A to... What is that? I can actually see. Oh, wait, no. It wouldn't be to a plug because it's a wireless charger. Duh. Okay, we're just going to have to really get this out of here. There we go. Move all this to the side. I'm going to attempt to unravel this. I'm not sure how. Oh, okay, there we go. Just use this plastic here? Or is it the charger? Let's see. Oh, it's the charger. Okay. That's cool. Now, I don't have anything to plug this into. Because I don't really have... Well, I mean, I have a charger brick, but I don't have it on me at this current moment, so I can't really charge this for now. But let's check out the watch. What we got. So it's kind of... This is how the size would look like. I don't know if we can really tell how big it is, but let's compare this to the iPhone 12 Pro. Alright. Got this Pacific Blue. About that size. I don't know if it gives you any preference, but... So let me set this up, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and here's the watch. I have it set up and everything. So I did some things to it, and if it does fit on my wrist pretty well. And there's actually tighter settings, which is just, I have it to like the third to last, but no, the fourth to last. But yeah, I have the watch here, and just kind of playing around with it. You can actually like kind of, you know, do it like, there's an always on display, and then you can, you know, do a flip wrist, and it just kind of pops stuff up. Or you can press this button, and you can like press and hold, and then, you know, you got your notifications. Hold up. Was that control center? Hold up. There we go. So we got, was it settings? Pull that down. Yeah, you got quick settings. You got, you know, your do not disturb, bong, and then you have sleep mode. All right. And then you have brightness. You can dim it, normal, or max. I like, you know, having it on max. And then we have, you know, you can basically just keep pressing the options to get different, you know, selections. I'm gonna have this motion on auto. All right, and you have always on display. So if that's off, then turn this off. Bam. So that's pretty cool. Yet again, or you can have it to where, let's see, this kind of hurts. This position kind of hurts, but you can have it to where it's on or it's off. You know, if it's on, it makes the battery drain faster, probably. Oh, well, as it says right here. So I'm gonna just keep it off, though. You need some cool settings in here. Sorry for the bad angle. Let's see what we got. But yeah, you got your little notifications here. Uh-oh. Oh, so if it's on this screen, I can just... Oh, I didn't know that till now. You got music, alright. It's actually controlled on your phone. As you can see here, I can start playing it. Or I can't play it now because the phone is locked, but you can, like, you know, control music stuff on your watch. Pretty cool. You set it up by having a app. And that's, so yeah, pretty cool watch. Kind of a first impressions video. Pretty nice. I don't remember the cost on this one, but I'll you know, put on the screen real quick for you guys. But yeah, that is the Fitbit, you know, Versa 2 watch. It gives you a free band as well, at least for this one. It gave me a free, you know, kind of a olive green band. All right, neat. I'll be comparing it to the Apple Watch here in a few here in a few weeks, possibly. But yeah, that is the first impressions video. Pretty cool watch, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.